What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family and Autism. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, and if you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, be down with the gang. And if you really are supporting, you really are VIP, and you really are day one, go ahead and join my membership. The cheapest one is $4. Like, who don't got $4? And the highest one is less than $1 a day. So I'm just saying, you might as well go ahead and get the exclusive content that's not on here for regular subscribers. So yeah. But happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm finna kind of do an unboxing and I guess a day in the life. So this video will go up Thursday, but it will go up late. So yeah, because I still gotta edit it, and you know, I'm just saying. And I know y'all with y'all family, we with our family, so yeah. Y'all see Jay and the boys later on. I'm finna unbox this thing. I'm finna have to find somewhere to put y'all to do the unboxing. Alright, y'all, so this not all aesthetically pleasing to the eye, but this is gonna be like a quick unboxing. So it's not like a lot of stuff that I got. I'm just gonna show y'all the pants, because when I did my fall haul with the kids, like all 4 kids, I showed y'all the boys' polo shirts, or at least 4 of their polo shirts. So I'm gonna show y'all these again. So this is on a hanger because it's already been hung up or already been earned. And y'all see how it had a burgundy in it. Alright. And this is earned, but I didn't hang it up. And y'all see how this one got the red in it. Alright. So let me show y'all side by side. This is what they're gonna wear today, because it's actually, they're gonna wear this one today because it's Thanksgiving. And it look more fallish Thanksgiving to me. But I got a package. Dropped the package, but I got a package, came from Children's Place or whatever, and we try to figure out how to unbox it without showing my address. Got my handy dandy murder knife. Yeah, I think y'all never seen your girl with her granny glasses on. I don't got my contacts in yet. So I was hoping these came by Thanksgiving too. I'm cool, y'all, because I knew I wanted them to wear these burgundy ones. Also, this is not paid for. This is not sponsored. Normally, I don't even put nobody on like that because I don't like to promote nothing. But yeah, these are just Julian pants because he don't have no khaki pants. In turn, Jaxon ain't gonna have no khaki pants. And then these are Jaxon's. I think they are 3T. These are the red ones, and these are the burgundy ones. And you know, I got 2 pairs. And like I said, Jaxon has like 4 pairs of khaki pants. I think it's some coupons in there and all that. I don't just know what's in there, so I'm not gonna bring it out on camera. And I'm not gonna redo the video, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna open Jaxon pants. And the other ones, I guess, would be Julian's. I don't know. So these are the burgundy ones outside the package. You can really tell. I don't know how they fit. I need to earn them because they're wrinkled straight out the thing. But y'all see how this actually met and look. I don't know. Y'all gonna see them later on. I already got they whatchamacallits together too. So I thought those would match, and let me open up the red ones. These are the red ones. And I was like, it could go with this polo shirt because they got a lot of jeans, so it's like I don't want them to think that they're wearing the same jeans every day at school. So I'm gonna show y'all these next to each other. These are the burgundy ones. So as y'all see, they are different, red and burgundy. And y'all also seen the difference with the shirt. So these are Julian's. And I know corduroys is like one of those big things to be in style, but I don't do them a lot. I don't like them, they be hot. These are just Julian's whenever I want to put both of them on some khakis throughout the week. So yeah. So yeah, these for people just woke up. See, you don't take no picture, big head.
Mom.
What? You looking at yourself in the mirror?
Yeah.
So this Julian, y'all, he trying to get him a little snack in. He want to just eat chocolate and junk. So this is what I'm wearing. This burgundy dress, and this is what they're wearing. They got their burgundy pants that kind of match my dress and stuff like that. All right, y'all. So I am in the kitchen. As you see, I'm not cooking nothing. Jay finna go get the dressing, and I'm gonna make some sides and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna record it because I got other stuff to do. Like I gotta finish cleaning up the house. And Jaxon want a drink, so I'm gonna get him a drink. And we're gonna take some pictures. So make sure that y'all follow us on all our social medias. Those links are in the descriptions. And join the membership. Okay, y'all, so the lighting is not the best, but I'm gonna show y'all, since I just did that unboxing, show y'all the receipt. So it came from Children's Place or whatever. One of the skinny jeans that I got them was called Redwood. I don't know if they are the red ones or the burgundy ones or what. So yeah, both of those were $9.98, and the other two were $8.48, and then the khakis was $8.48. So they brought my total to like $49.59. So you might as well say $50 even to get their pants to go with like they polo shirts. Cool. Let me get that out the camera. I don't need y'all in my business like that. So okay, y'all know that I showed y'all that the pants on one of the hauls, or I said I was gonna get some pants, and I think I showed them on a different video. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I think these are the Old Navy pants that I had got. No, these are Children's Place. So these are Jaxon pants. They came from Children's Place, and these are Old Navy pants that are Julian's or whatever. So yeah, I'm earning these two out, and I think Julian already has some pants that's earned out from Children's Place, or either Jaxon do, but they're over there. That whole little outfit, I'm finna earn that, but they gonna basically wear jeans with these regular like little polo shirts. So I'm gonna earn them two out, and I'm gonna earn them two out. So I got 8 items to earn, then I'll be done earning that stuff for the week. So when Monday rolls around, I don't have to earn Sunday night. I can just go ahead and get it done. Yeah, Jay going to get the food, so we'll be back in a minute. These boys are in my bathroom, y'all. Go put in trash. You don't just sit here and throw that stuff on my floor. What's wrong with you? Juju is pottying, so I'm not gonna put the camera on him. Put up your pants. Yeah. So yeah, Julian think everything was funny. I don't know how much. Hey, get out of my room. So, I don't care. So I'm gonna show y'all this from DoorDash. That was in this Children's Place box. So basically, you get 20% off 3 orders when you use the code that's on the other side. Bye. So yeah, y'all. I'm finna figure out something to eat, drink some water, I'm finna figure out something to eat, drink some water, earn out they clothes, they other 2 outfits. And yeah, I think I'm gonna earn Jay a shirt because we're gonna take some family pictures, like I said earlier. So yeah.
Just go. For whatever reason, they just go. Don't even know what to call it.
Yeah, I think it's corn everywhere, all over what you call it.
Jaxon. Made a mess.
Or the culprit.
Yeah.
You see how you look like
The corn
you
syrup.
are the culprit.
The corn syrup.
You did this. Skirt right there. Which is you do? So they have been eating since we have already did our ghetto version of our photo shoot. Jay can't wait to get out his clothes. Literally.
I ain't with all that all the time. I get
We don't
cleaned
take
up.
pictures all the time.
I get cleaned up, but dressing up is never really just one of my things. I'm like so not interested in dressing up. It's just me, you know what I mean? So it is what it is, you know. Happy Thanksgiving and all of the other stuff y'all might have going on.
So, babe, what we really do for we didn't do nothing for Thanksgiving, y'all. But eat.
We were
And
thankful.
take pictures.
We were thankful.
But we thankful every day.
That's it. Another day of being thankful. That's it. The kids had more fun than
We did.
anything, and it's not even a fun holiday like that. They
Right.
just got a chance to eat a lot of junk food, and it's still not over because it's a sweet potato pie in there.
So anyway, y'all, that was our Thanksgiving little thing. Jay did grill chicken, but I forgot to record it. So yeah, Jay grilled chicken. We ate stuffing, chicken, corn, green beans, like French green beans, and sweet potato pie. So yeah, and none of this I had to cook. Nothing. Bay grilled. So mama made the dressing and the pie. So I didn't have to do nothing but, and Bay made the side. So I didn't have to do nothing but pull up and eat. I'm just saying. And then we took some pictures for the gram and stuff like that. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. And also we took some pictures on Snapchat for the gram. So all those links will be down in the description. Follow all those. Also join the membership. And for everybody that's wondering why Connor Crystal wasn't here, this is not my year. Next year will be my year to have them for Thanksgiving. I get them Christmas Eve at 8 p.m. So I might put in the footage so that you guys can see the more ridiculousness that I be dealing with when I be talking about co-parenting. But anyway, today's been a good day, so I'm not going to bring that negativity here, but I might put it in a little clip.